Tesla key fobs are compact, battery-powered devices that use RFID and Bluetooth for vehicle communication, offering a physical alternative to digital keys. While Tesla emphasizes phone as key, the fob remains a reliable backup. In 2023, Tesla redesigned the Model 3 Y fob for better ergonomics. As of 2025, fobs integrate with updated software for advanced remote features, but are now optional accessories costing $150. Key fobs are access tokens authenticating with the vehicle's infotainment system. To pair your Tesla key fob, turn on your Tesla and place the fob on the center console's card reader, marked with a key icon. Alternatively, use the Tesla app by navigating to Controls, then Locks, and select Add Key Fob to sync via Bluetooth. After pairing, the fob works within a 40-foot range and requires the vehicle to be in park for most functions. Each fob is encrypted with a unique ID, so reprogram if lost through the Tesla app or service center to prevent unauthorized access. Tesla key fobs vary slightly by model but generally include several key functions. The lock-unlock button provides flexible access control. The panic button activates the vehicle's alarm system with flashing lights and honking horn for emergency situations. The trunk-front button opens the rear trunk with a press or opens the front trunk when held down. On select 2024 and newer models, the summon button enables remote parking and unparking, requiring a full self-driving subscription. The homing button, available on some models, honks the horn and flashes the lights to help locate your vehicle. Finally, walk-away lock automatically secures the vehicle when you move out of range with the key fob. The Tesla key fob enhances its capabilities when integrated with the Tesla mobile app, acting as a bridge for remote features and controls. Through app integration, your key fob enables remote access to vehicle functions. The fob pairs via Bluetooth and serves as a bridge, allowing you to control features like preconditioning the cabin temperature or checking battery levels from afar. The system supports pairing up to 4 devices per vehicle. To add a key fob, open the Tesla app, navigate to Controls, then Locks, and select Add Key Fob to sync via Bluetooth. If the key fob becomes unresponsive, try replacing the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. For a reset, hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Compatibility requires Tesla software version 10 or higher. Since 2023, Tesla has been shifting from physical keys to app-based and NFC digital keys to reduce theft risks. As of 2025, over 70% of Tesla owners use phone as key due to smartphone ubiquity and features like shared access. Tesla plans to phase out physical fobs by 2027 to 2028, focusing on biometrics and IoT integration. This digital transition offers convenience and enhanced security features. Let's explore some real-world examples of Tesla key fobs in action. In 2024, a Tesla owner faced a power outage in their garage and used the summon feature to autonomously move their vehicle, avoiding a potential collision. This demonstrates the fob's remote control capabilities in emergency situations. In 2025, a cybersecurity incident occurred where hackers cloned Tesla key fobs using relay attacks. Tesla quickly responded by implementing rolling codes in their firmware updates, significantly improving security against unauthorized access. Tesla's partnerships with fleet operators showcase programmable fobs for shared access in ride-sharing services. This setup has reduced key loss by 40% compared to traditional keys, making fleet management more efficient and secure. Some Tesla enthusiasts customize their key fobs by integrating them with third-party apps like IFTTT. This allows for smart home triggers, showing the fob's potential beyond basic vehicle access. These practical examples illustrate the Tesla key fob's versatility in various situations, from emergency remote control to fleet operations. However, they also highlight the importance of addressing security risks to ensure safe and reliable use. Experts praise the Tesla key fob's simplicity, but suggest exploring solar-powered alternatives for sustainability. Elon Musk views physical keys as archaic, pushing for fully digital ecosystems. Statistics show 65% of Tesla buyers prefer digital keys, with fob adoption declining annually. Tesla claims a lower theft rate for fob-enabled vehicles. Gartner predicts 90% of EV keys will be digital by 2030. Future trends include AI enhanced remote features and cross device syncing.